In the heart of innovation, where raw materials transform, a new journey begins at the Plastic Crate Factory.
Every day, the gates of progress open, inviting us into a world where precision and efficiency converge seamlessly. Every raw material shipment undergoes rigorous scrutiny, ensuring only the finest plastic resin enters our advanced facility. From receiving to storage, each bag of resin is handled with precision, a testament to our commitment to quality. Automated systems ensure a seamless flow, delivering raw materials precisely to the next critical stage of production. Each individual pellet is a testament to purity, meticulously inspected to guarantee the highest quality foundation for our products. Precision engineering guides every step, with temperature and pressure meticulously controlled for optimal material transformation. From solid to liquid, the plastic undergoes a molten metamorphosis, a critical step in its journey to becoming a durable crate. Guided by precision, the plastic sheet cools, solidifying its strength and preparing for its next transformation. Every millimeter is critical. Skilled technicians meticulously inspect thickness, upholding our unwavering commitment to quality standards. Welcome to the heart of creation, where advanced injection molding machines with robotic precision sculpt the future of plastic crates. With unparalleled precision, robotic arms extract each perfectly formed crate, a testament to automated engineering excellence. Still radiating warmth from their creation, these immaculate crates begin their journey down the conveyor, a symbol of continuous output. With pinpoint accuracy, laser etching etches each crate's unique identity, a mark of quality and traceability. Robotic arms seamlessly brand each crate, a final touch of excellence, signifying our commitment to quality and identity. Every surface is meticulously scrutinized by expert eyes, ensuring flawless perfection before any crate leaves our facility. Automated guided vehicles navigate our vast warehouse, transporting perfectly stacked crates with silent, unwavering efficiency and precision. Our expansive warehouse stands as a testament to capacity, filled with thousands of meticulously crafted crates. With practiced efficiency, our team loads each crate, ensuring safe and timely delivery, extending our reach across the globe. The ingenious interlocking design ensures unparalleled stability, a testament to the thoughtful engineering behind every single crate. Our journey begins with meticulous inspection, ensuring every plastic pellet meets the highest standards of purity and quality. Advanced optical sorters meticulously separate each pellet, guaranteeing uniformity in color and size, crucial for flawless production. Within the heart of the dryer, plastic pellets tumble, meticulously prepared for transformation, eliminating every trace of moisture. Our precise moisture meters confirm absolute dryness, a crucial step ensuring the integrity and strength of every plastic crate. High-speed pneumatic tubes whisk the perfectly dried pellets to their destination, a symphony of efficient, automated material transfer. Into the heart of the molding machine, the prepared pellets cascade, ready for their ultimate transformation into durable crates. Within the heart of the mold, precision engineering shapes every curve and angle, defining the very essence of our crates. With immense, controlled force, the mold clamps shut, ready to withstand the immense pressure of liquid plastic injection. In a flash of brilliant white, molten plastic surges into the mold, instantaneously shaping the future of a durable crate. As the mold gently parts, a perfectly sculpted crate emerges, still warm. A testament to... With elegant precision, the robotic arm transfers the pristine crate, ensuring a seamless journey to the next stage of cooling. Under a gentle cascade of cool air, each crate meticulously solidifies, ensuring its perfect form and lasting structural integrity. With trained eyes, our technicians meticulously inspect every surface, ensuring each crate is flawless. Advanced ultrasonic sensors probe deep, meticulously verifying the structural integrity of each crate, ensuring unmatched durability. Along the final conveyor, each crate glides towards automated stacking, a seamless dance of efficiency and precision. With a satisfying click, each crate seamlessly interlocks, forming stable, robust stacks, a testament to intelligent design. Our advanced robotic arms meticulously stack each crate, forming perfect columns, a symphony of automation and precision. Automated stretch wrapping secures each pallet, protecting our pristine crates, guaranteeing their safe arrival every time. Our quality assurance supervisor conducts the final, meticulous inspection, ensuring every pallet meets our exacting standards. With a full load, our delivery trucks embark, carrying our premium plastic crates to destinations worldwide, fulfilling every order.
In our lab, precision defines every step. Technicians carefully prepare samples, ensuring material integrity before processing. Within intense heat, solid pellets wheeled to liquid, undergoing a profound transformation, ready for the next stage of creation.
Technicians meticulously stir the molten plastic, ensuring perfect consistency, a critical step for achieving unparalleled material integrity.
From molten plastic, a perfect strand emerges, meticulously prepared for rigorous testing, ensuring ultimate material performance. Under immense tension, our plastic samples are tested to their limits, ensuring every crate possesses unparalleled strength and durability. Our robotic arm meticulously prepares each crate for rigorous drop testing, ensuring real-world resilience and ultimate durability. In slow motion, the crate endures impact, revealing its remarkable resilience and unwavering structural integrity, a testament to its design. From molten plastic, a perfect strand emerges, meticulously prepared for rigorous testing, ensuring ultimate material performance. Within our environmental chamber, crates endure extreme temperatures, proving their unwavering resilience against nature's harshest elements. At -40 degrees Celsius, our crates stand unyielding, showcasing remarkable endurance against extreme environmental conditions.
Emerging from extreme cold, our technician retrieves the crates, now proven to withstand the harshest environmental challenges.
Within our anechoic chamber, crates undergo rigorous vibration and noise analysis, guaranteeing superior performance and quiet operation. Within our environmental chamber, crates endure extreme temperatures, proving their unwavering resilience. With meticulous adjustments, technicians fine-tune vibration frequencies, rigorously testing our crates' resilience and unwavering stability. Our robotic arm relentlessly tests crate handles, simulating years of use, guaranteeing unparalleled durability and lasting reliability. After thousands of cycles, the crate handle remains remarkably pristine, a testament to its exceptional durability and robust engineering.
With a green pass, our robotic arm certifies each crate, a symbol of unwavering quality and successful, rigorous testing.
Our approved section boasts rows of perfectly stacked crates, each a testament to meticulous testing and unwavering quality standards. With a confident signature, our QA manager grants final approval, certifying another batch of crates, ready for their journey. Our fleet of trucks, laden with approved crates, stands ready, poised to deliver quality across continents and communities. Behold the culmination of precision and design, a pristine plastic crate, flawlessly crafted for optimal performance and elegance. Witness the interlocking genius. A single column of crates exemplifies perfect stability and intelligent, space-saving design. Our designers, fueled by passion, meticulously crafted every detail, now admiring the elegant form and function of their creation. Our subtly embossed logo signifies more than a brand. It's a mark of unparalleled quality and sophisticated, understated elegance.
In our luxury showroom, each crate transforms into a statement piece, showcasing sophisticated design and unparalleled aesthetic appeal.
A discerning touch confirms the premium quality, as customers experience the flawless finish and elegant design of our crates.
Our knowledgeable associates articulate every feature, ensuring customers fully appreciate the innovative design and superior quality.
The elegant shopping bag, bearing our distinguished logo, cradles your premium crate, an experience of subtle luxury. Into the vibrant urban landscape, our customers carry not just a crate, but a symbol of discerning taste and quality.
Remarkably lightweight, yet incredibly robust, our crates effortlessly transport your essentials, enhancing your daily life.
Engineered for security, our crates feature an anti-slip base, ensuring unwavering stability on any surface, protecting your belongings.
Transform your pantry with our modular crates, bringing elegant order and efficient storage to every corner of your home. Transform chaotic playrooms into havens of order. Our crates make organizing toys effortless, fostering joyful, tidy spaces. Designed for all ages, our crates empower children to organize independently, fostering tidiness and playful exploration. From sorting to storage, our crates streamline your laundry routine, bringing effortless organization and serene efficiency to your home.
Integrated ventilation ensures optimal airflow, preserving freshness for produce and linens, extending their vitality and longevity.
Resilient and weather-resistant, our crates are perfect companions for your garden adventures, simplifying outdoor organization effortlessly.
From bustling cafes to charming boutique, our crates offer industrial strength with an elegant aesthetic, perfect for any commercial space.
With gentle care, our crates elegantly showcase freshly baked pastries, preserving their delicate perfection for every discerning customer. Through bustling markets, our crates effortlessly transport fresh produce, ensuring efficiency and vibrant presentation for vendors.
Across diverse industries, our versatile crates provide universal organization, bringing order to every product, every inventory.
Seamless inventory tracking begins with a precise scan, integrating our crates into the rhythm of modern logistics and efficiency.
From a single elegant crate, a beautifully organized living space unfolds, embodying serene harmony.
Our commitment extends beyond quality. We embrace sustainable practices, powered by clean energy for a brighter future.
Proudly bearing the recyclable symbol, our crates represent a commitment to sustainability and a cleaner, greener planet.
Fresh greens and radishes. The best quality in the market today.
Our journey concludes, but the legacy of quality endures.